It's been a long time and I shouldn't have left you, but I'm back now. And I'm back like I never left because we jumping right into this video. Today is a protein treatment, silk press, and trimming my ends because it's been 6 months this time. I know, but we gonna get it together. I advise that you cover your arms, put on gloves, and put this solution in a spray bottle because it stinks, it's sticky, and it can irritate your skin. So you'll see me brushing the product through my hair, but I only do this once it's freshly applied. I don't go back later because the solution is way too sticky for that, and you run the risk of causing breakage and damage to your hair if you start to comb or brush it. So now that my hair is all dry and crunchy, that means it's time to go ahead and rinse out the protein solution. I'm just going to remove the clips that I have here. And if you're wondering, I only clip my hair up because I have a bonnet dryer and this is the only way that I can fit my hair in the bonnet. I'm going to take the clips out, rinse out the solution, apply step number 2, the balancing moisturizer. Leave that in my hair for about 5 minutes and then I'll be back. So I have rinsed step 2 out of my hair and I actually followed it up with this Moisture Therapy shampoo from Chi, as well as the thermal protective treatments, kind of like a conditioner. And now it's time for some leave-in and a heat protectant. And I was trying to decide between It's a 10 and the Bio Silk, but I think I'm going to go with It's a 10. And for my heat protectant, I'm going to use TRESemme. This is the OG one. I've been using this so long, y'all. When my hair was relaxed, you know, fried, dyed, and laid to the side, I was using this one. So why would I give up on her now? Chi, that went with the shampoo and the treatment. Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, love this, or the Bio Silk. I love all of these, but since I used these 2 things from Chi, I think I'm gonna stick with the Chi brand for this. So let's get that going. And don't come for me for towel drying my hair. I don't know where my microfiber turban is, so this is just what we're with. So boom. Oh, you know what? Every time I do a protein treatment, I'm just so like, the curls be curling afterwards. They really do. I'm gonna put this on my scalp. I will either link this stuff below or I'll put it in my Amazon storefront. And just in case you guys are wondering, I am filming for TikTok and for YouTube over here. So if you see me looking back and forth, I'm just trying to, you know, knock this out. So anyway, I'm going in with the Head & Shoulders Pyrithione Zinc Dandruff Treatment Supreme Hydrating Scalp Serum, okay? Intensely hydrates to replenish the scalp in between washes with vitamin E and argan oil. Now, I will say I've been using this for about 1.5 years. Like, I completely stopped putting oil on my scalp because it was just causing me to have more dandruff. So this, I swear by this, Amazon, the hair store, you can find this anywhere. I will make sure you have every item that I used, even the ones I haven't mentioned yet. I will put it in the description or in the comments or in my Amazon storefront, okay? I feel like I get it. My scalp is so dry. And I don't want flakes. I want this silk press to be silk pressing for as long as it can. Come on, spray. There we go. So one of my favorite investments for hair care or self-care so far has got to be my Rev Air hair dryer, reverse hair dryer. This is my OG, what is this? don't even know what brand this is, but I've had it forever. I broke all the attachments for it, so I bought this universal one. I'm gonna start off with the Rev Air just because I want to get the bulk of the drying done, and then I can go through with either the Revlon blow drying brush or just this blow dryer to get kind of like that smooth blowout. I probably should have done a smaller section, but it's fine. I can fix it. Test this out. Let me see. So that's gonna be a no. That's gonna be a no. See that? Where it's all see-through? It's getting out of here today. We getting rid of that. Y'all just don't know. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm gonna finish blow drying my hair and then I'll be back. So I know that I mentioned this in a previous video, but I'm just gonna reiterate it because it's important. If you want a sleek, silky press, you need to ditch the rat tail comb and get you a bristle brush. $1 at the hair store. I'm telling you, this is the secret. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of this Infra Silk Infusion. Now you don't want to use too much of a serum because you don't want to weigh down your press, but the shine, look at the shine. It's almost like I went to the salon. I look so different when my hair is straight versus like wearing it curly. I've been wearing a lot of knotless braids in the last year, and they are definitely the reason why I need to cut a bunch of these ends today. I know we think braids to be a protective style, but we know now, like, unless your hair is tucked away, it's still exposed to the elements, but you know, whatever. Here we go. So nice, so sleek. The shears. Please don't use kitchen scissors. Actually, you know what? Do whatever you want. I hope it looks good. Let me take a look. It's uneven. Are we surprised? I'm not a professional. Tomorrow I might get somebody to help me even it out, or I might not. I don't know. But I just am so glad to be rid of these ends, y'all. Anybody want some dead ends? I don't.